Whoa. That was a lot of fire. Did that work or what? Why are you filming it instead of telling me not to do it?
He's a moron. That's why. Okay, so the plan for today is we're back at the property. We're gonna take our, oh my God, I don't want to see that. We're gonna take our equipment and we're gonna head off and kind of try and find a path that we want to carve out to get back to our water source to make it easier to get our materials where they need to be. So we'll kind of try and film some of the progress along the way.
He's a pro at this jacket. Making our move. The tires are spinning. Why'd you shut it off? The tires are spinning. Yeah, but don't shut the thing off. You have to. How can we communicate? You can't keep shutting it off and starting it. Why? There's an alternator. It charges the battery while it runs. Alright. If not, we're going to have to run the battery. I'll help. Go! Where are you going? Right there? Where's that RV pad?
It's right here.
Stop. Right here behind me.
How do you what?
Stop, put it in neutral. Put on the parking brake. No, you are. Leave it for a minute.
There it goes. So much for our parking brake. Maybe you should put something to chalk the wheel behind. So I think this is going to be our pathway.
Why'd you turn it off?
This is going to be our pathway. And then we're coming from directly behind that, which is a kind of a cleared path already. So we'll see if we can mark it out, figure out the way we're going to go. Okay, so we're back out at our property. Our goal for this visit is going to be to clear trail for our little garden tractor to be able to get materials to the back of the property without having to lug it through the woods every time. I'm not sure how it's going to go. We're going to get an excavator coming in tomorrow. We've never driven one before. Should be fun. I watched some videos, right? That's all you need. And then right now we're going to start our path. We're just going to mark it off for today. So as you can see, we have some flags. We're gonna start just kind of marking a clearing here and putting some little flags along the route and give us an idea of what we want to do for the excavator when we get that in tomorrow. So we'll bring you back when we get a little more progress. Yeah. So we got a little can of spray paint marking some of the trees that we know we're going to want to take down. Mike took this tree down because reasons, and we're going to try and walk our path along the property and find the path of least resistance. Okay, so we got back down to our little pump house here, and again, probably difficult to see on camera, but very steep most of the ways around the area we came down. So we're going to try and look up the other side, see if there's another pathway that'll be easier to get close to this stuff to be able to work. So this is at the back edge of the property. It's a little, I guess it's a spring box. I don't know the difference between that and a well, but there's inside here a concrete slab that's got a big concrete tube. I guess it's got water down the bottom. I don't know how deep. It looks like a pressure switch and a pressure tank. Some electrical cord. I have no idea where it goes because to my knowledge there's no power down here. So we're trying to figure out the best way to make use of this, since water on the property is a pretty big deal. We do have a little bit of running water back here. Not really enough, in my opinion, to really make use of as a consistent water source. And not all of it is on the right side of our property line, so we're kind of down the middle of it. But we'll see. All right, so after a lot of difficult walking, now we're gonna make some hot dogs and eat lunch.
You guys want to do it over here? Mike, why'd you bring the tractor
Wait,
up?
look to your left. Your left.
Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Whoops, orange paint.
You have stability mode on?
Yes.
Just want to make sure.
My stability mode is not having a beer.
Whoa. That was a lot of fire. Whoa. That was a lot of fire. Did that work or what? Why are you filming it instead of telling me not to do it?
He's a moron. That's why. Just as a follow-up to our shed video, this is what happens.
Let's see. So you can see up here, this plastic fell out. That's the guide for the door. So now we're trying to bend it to fix it.
Garbage. It's all garbage.
All right, now we're gonna start up here.
All right, you lower the handle here.
Yep.
I don't know if you can see any of this, but
Nope.
probably not. But lower the handle here. These are my steering. I mean, my forward motion, my backward motion. This lever over here.
Yeah.
Lifts the blade.
What was that? Where's the blade?
That's the blade. This handle over here. And then this is my bucket.
Oh, Mr. Bucket? Oh. And then you go with the gas?
Now this swings the bucket sideways.
Oh,
Lifts it up.
The gas is
The gas is
forward?
this, right? So this is my gas.
My man. Almost down on the track.
Sounds weird.
Can you go faster?
I don't know.
Just push it faster.
Does it throttle?
Push it harder.
This is as far forward as it goes.
This is going to make for riveting footage.
Yeah, this part?
Yeah,
for sure.
speed. I can walk faster.
We'll do that, please, if you're going to sit there and comment on it.
Wow.
All right, we have 506 hours on it.
We're going to need the whole weekend. How many hours?
506.9.
Show me where the horn was?
Show me where the horn was.
What's that button for?
What button?
The brake button?
This?
This one.
This one? This is if you had like a claw on it, like a thumb.
Oh, so that one's already set for what?
This one is to move the bucket arm, the boom arm, back and forth. What's this lever? Oh, I found it.
Where? Where was it? Can it go faster?
No, that's it. Maximum effort.
Look at these guys. What do you say about going down the hill? We're good?
He didn't seem concerned.
He said just raise that.
Well, they gotta raise that anyway from driving it. It's the throttle.
Yeah.
I didn't know it had a throttle until I found it. I'll see you guys in a week.
Did he say it'd be a problem going down there?
Didn't seem like it, but he didn't also really look down there, so
I think it should be fine.
let's hope so.
I mean, you're not going fast, so.
Let's see if we can do anything with this stuff. All right, we're a little bit past halfway to where we have to cross the kind of water runoff section. I haven't really determined what the best way that's going to be, so we'll have to figure that out as we get closer. But for right now, we're just going to keep on plugging away at the path, doing pretty good, just trying to make it flat and level. And this is what we're ending up with, so pretty happy with it so far. Okay, so we got down to the little creek bed, which is not much, just a little ravine for some water runoff. Probably a little hard to tell on camera with the depth, but we had to kind of traverse it. So essentially we just dug out some earth out of here and put some sticks down, some logs down in the middle of the gully, and then packed it with dirt on top of it and off and running. So we're almost at our destination, which is, I'm not sure exactly what they're doing there, but just beyond them is where we have our little pump house. So we'll have a path back to that so we can kind of work on that. Looks like it must have been quitting time because our equipment driver just left us. So we gotta go find him.